Avishkar Godgate, and I am from Saint Vincent Pallotti College, and I am in second year. My branch is electrical, and I am going to tell you about underground cables. So, what are underground cables? Actually, underground cables consist of one or more conductors which has covered which are covered with a suitable insulation and a protecting cover. The protecting cover helps them that any damage or any problem should not come while working. And what are cables? Cables has classified several types which depends upon the working voltage and the service requirement. Actually, this underground cable is deep inside the ground, and if it gets damaged, we cannot see it properly because it is not like that simple cables. It is well profiled than them, and it has these parts. They are conductor, insulation, lead shield, bedding, armoring, and serving. So these are the parts which are remain in this underground cable. Actually, this is the figure of uh, underground cable. It has conductor. So what is conductor? A conductor is a cable may have one or more than one conductor depending upon the type of service. Actually, a conductor is a cable which have one or more than a conductor. It has one or more than conductor, and it depends upon the type of service which we need or which we are using. The conductors are made of tin, copper or aluminium. These are made of thin copper or aluminium. They are and are actually strained in order to provide flexibility to the cable. And they are actually strained like them that they should give the flexibility to the cable. By flexibility, it will have a conductor. So what is insulation now? Insulation is the second part of the underground cable. To beading and is provided over the armoring, and this is as serving. So here we have understand the full part and components which the underground cables are classified. Thank you. Condition is provided with a suitable thickness. Means in insulation, each core or condition is provided with a suitable thickness. It has a suitable thickness of insulation. The thickness of layer depends upon the voltage to be withstood by the cable. So the thickness of the level is also depend on the voltage that it should stood with the cable. It is also depend on something, and that is the voltage withstood to the cable. The commonly used materials are impregnated paper, varnished cambric or rubber mineral component. So it has so it is used for materials like varnish paper, impregnated paper, cambric or rubber minerals component. It and the third part of the underground cable is metallic shield. Metallic shield. So what is metallic shield, and what from what things it is made? A metallic shield is used to protect the cable from moisture, gases, and other damaging liquids like acid. Means if the underground cable has going some moisture or it is being damaged from something, as the metallic shield protect the underground cable from all those things. And this happens because the underground cable is inside the soil. A metallic shield of lead or aluminum is provided over the insulation. Means it has a metallic shield of lead or aluminum, and that is provided over the insulation of the metallic shield. Fourth part of the underground cable is beading. Over the metallic shield is applied a layer of beading. Means over the metallic shield there is a layer, and that layer is called as beading, and it consists of a fibrous material like jute or hessian tape. The purpose of beading is to protect the metallic shield against corrosion.